Today I'm going to demonstrate how to perform an inventory using RFID tags in rAgent Mobile. I'm going to start by importing my data into rInsight. I have a test database that I would like to import into rInsight so that it can be synced down to rAgent Mobile. This spreadsheet represents the data that I will be importing. From the import screen, I'll browse to the import file. Clicking the Import Data button will let me review my data before I actually import it into rInsight. You'll notice that the first 8 laptops have tag ID values. These values are the EPC values that are stored on each RFID tag. Clicking Save will import the data. Now that my data is imported, I can view it in rInsight. I'm going to filter my results to only show the 8 laptops that I have applied RFID tags to. I'm going to do this by choosing Asset ID from the search criteria. Under Advanced Search, like laptop. These are my 8 laptops that I will be performing inventory. Using rAgent Mobile, I will synchronize the data to the mobile device. To perform inventory in rAgent Mobile, there are 2 separate processes. First, I will demonstrate how to perform a floor-to-record inventory, meaning that the data added to the inventory pick list will be generated by scanning RFID tags in the field. I will name this pick list INV1 and give it a location. For this demonstration, I will scan the location using the barcode scanner. Clicking the Assets tab will enable me to start my workflow and scan nearby RFID tags. Switching back to C1G2 RFID enables me to perform inventory using the RFID scan mode. After I'm satisfied with the scanning, I can click Save to save the inventory. Once I am done, I can click Sync to synchronize the data and view it back in rInsight. Clicking the Manage button under the Pick List section will allow me to view inventory pick lists. From here we see INV1, which was just synchronized from the handheld. Clicking View will allow me to view the details regarding this inventory pick list. This pick list found all 8 of the RFID tags. Conversely, I can create an inventory pick list from our insight and sync it down to the handheld and process the assets on that list. This will allow me to view discrepancies directly from the handheld as I am performing the record to floor inventory. So I will add a pick list. INV2 and assign 8 assets to it, the 8 laptops, select all, add, apply. Assets on pick list tab will show me the assets that I have assigned to this pick list. Clicking save will save the pick list. After the data is synchronized, I will be able to search for the pick list on the handheld using the search function. I can filter down my search by providing details for each of the search fields, or I can hit submit to return all pick lists. Selecting a pick list and clicking load will load the pick list for processing. The inventory process screen shows all of the assets that are on this pick list. By processing an asset, the status will be updated as well as the time of read. Once I am satisfied with my scan, I can save the pick list. Once the data is synchronized, I will be able to view it in our insight. Here you will notice all of the assets except for one were found from that process. The user and the timestamp was applied to the asset record associated to this pick list. This data can be also viewed using the pick list status report. Providing the name will allow me to report on that pick list. From here, I can export the data to a CSV file or simply print the report. Selecting all columns and clicking OK will enable me to save the inventory CSV.